is Namukot GB. For today, I will report about lead poisoning caused Beethoven's death. Ludwig van Beethoven, one of the world's greatest composers, died in 1827 at the age of 56. His death has long been debated because of his poor health. He was dead, suffered from stomach pain, and often appeared weak. Some scientists believe he may have died from lead poisoning. Number 1. Description of the substance. Lead or PP is a heavy metal found in pipes, pens, and even drinking vessels in the 18th and 19th century. It is toxic when it accumulates in the body. Number 2. Toxicity and symptoms. What is toxicity? Chronic exposure can damage the nervous system, kidneys, and digestive system. Symptoms. What is symptoms? Hearing loss, stomach pain, irritability, fatigue, and organ failure. Beethoven experienced many of these. Number 3. Evidence and detection. In 1994, scientists tested Beethoven's ear and skull fragments. They found abnormally high levels of lead. He likely ingested lead from drinking wine stored in lead-lined casks, using medical treatment containing lead, possible contaminated utensils or water pipes. The conclusion: although we cannot be 100% certain, strong evidence suggests lead poisoning contributed to Beethoven's poor health and possibly his death. His case reminds us that science and medicine continue to uncover the truth behind history's greatest mysteries. And that's all. Thank you.